Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Fetch app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Fetch app. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So the first step is to just see the here, click on here, and you have to click on this I button. So after that you have to just scroll down and click on the storage section. Okay, then you have to click on the clear data, then your data will be clear. So by this way it should be fixed. So if it's not fixed, you have to check for the update. So checking is easy. You have to go to the Google and write the app's name as Fetch app. Then you have to go at here in the Fetch app. Then here you have to click on update button, then it will be updated. So by this way you can just check it. So if it's not work, you have to reinstall the app. So reinstalling is very easy. You have to click on here and then you have to click on install button, then click on OK, and it will be done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.